So what do you call a criminal landing a plane? Descending. Yeah, I know, dad joke energy, but if I'm wearing pilot shades, it hits different. Speaking of dad jokes, I once sent 10 puns to a joke contest. I thought, statistically, one has to slap. Nope, no pun intended. Painful. Almost as painful as the hardest tea to swallow reality. Ice cold. Unsweetened. Straight from the fridge of disappointment. Anyway, fun fact, dogs can't run MRI machines, but cats can. Don't think about it too hard. My resume? Basically just a list of stuff I never want to do again, which is why I make AI videos now. Big career glow up. It's kind of like the time I went mushroom foraging, wholesome little adventure, but there's a morale at the end. Hard work pays off later. Laziness pays off now. Best way to store dad jokes? In a database, which is also where my dignity lives now. So lock this video in your database with a like and subscribe. Fam. When we hit 50 subs, I'm posting the guide so you get started and post in 2 hours.